Here we have an Aston Martin Vantage, and we've installed a Ghost Immobiliser to this vehicle. This car's absolutely stunning, beautiful car, and it has a keyless system, which is very prone for theft. So any form of security is always a good thing. The customer opted for Ghost Immobiliser, doesn't actually want to carry a tag with them. They're just basically, if anyone stole the keys or cloned the keys, they're not going to be able to start it, not be able to drive off with the vehicle. And there's no indication that there's anything installed in the vehicle as well. So let me demonstrate how that works. So if you jump into the passenger side, I'll be able to show it to you. Right. So I'm not going to enter the code, I'm just going to start the vehicle up. So if you have a look, foot on the brake, that goes red. The whole system comes on, but it will not start. So very simply, we turn the ignition on, enter the code. We get 2 flashes of the high beam, which we've got now, and now it starts. What a beautiful sounding car. So it's really simple to use. Enter your code, then you can start the vehicle up. The code could be changed. We set it to something very simple to demonstrate to the customer, and then the customer will change it to whatever they want to change it to. But like I said, there's no indication that there's anything installed in the vehicle. It just won't start without the code. So here we have this beautiful Aston Martin Vantage, and we installed the Ghost Immobiliser.